yet noticed in this 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. In addition, GM Certified checks out with a 117-point inspection on this ride and a complete vehicle history report. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Call today to schedule a test drive.